And as you can see to me that here to student and they will translate Hindi sentences into the English. Today I will ask Hindi sentences and they are translating now. Okay, so before translating, let's know about their self. Okay, so give me your short introduction.
My name is Diksha. I study in 7th class. I live in Meerut.
Okay.
My name is Divya. I grade in 7th class. I live in Meerut.
Okay, and in Meerut, where are you living?
I live in Nangla Tashi.
And you also. Okay, so both you are sister.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So now I'm starting. Okay, तुम टीचर हो?
You are teacher.
क्या तुम पागल हो?
Are you mad?
क्यों हो?
Why are you mad?
ओके, मैं इंजीनियर हूँ.
I am engineer.
मैं पागल हूँ.
I'm mad.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I'm going.
तुम जा रहे हो?
You are going.
क्या तुम जा रहे हो?
Are you going?
क्यों जा रहे हो?
Why are you going?
मैं पढ़ूंगा.
I will study.
तुम जाओगे?
You will go.
क्या तुम जाओगे?
Will you go?
कब जाओगे?
When will you go?
मैं जा सकता हूँ.
I can go.
तुम जा सकते हो?
You can go.
तुम जा रहे हो?
You are going.
तुम जा रहे थे?
You are going.
क्या तुम जा रहे
Where
थे?
are you going?
कब जा रहे थे?
When are you going?
मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकती हूँ.
I can speak English.
कहाँ से हो आप?
Where are you from?
मैं नंगले से हूँ.
I'm from Meerut.
क्या तुम
I'm from Nangla Tashi.
ओके, क्या तुम इंग्लिश सीख रहे हो?
Are you speaking English? Are you learning English?
ओके, क्यों सीख रहे हो?
Why are you learning English?
कहाँ सीख रहे हो?
Where are you learning English?
ओके, मीरा इंस्टीट्यूट से सीख रहे हैं.
I am learning English in Meera Institute.
ओके, कहाँ है मीरा इंस्टीट्यूट?
Where is Meera Institute?
ओके, नंगले में है.
In Nangla.
ओके, सो क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak English?
क्यों बोल सकते हो?
Why can you speak English?
मैं इंग्लिश बोलूंगी.
I will speak English.
तुम्हें इंग्लिश बोलनी चाहिए.
You should speak English.
तुम इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो?
You can speak English.
तुम्हें इंग्लिश बोलनी है.
You should speak English.
तुम्हें इंग्लिश बोलनी है.
You have speak English.
ओके, ओके, तुम्हें जाना है.
You can go.
ओके, तुम जा सकते हो.
You can go.
तुम्हें जाना है.
You have to go.
क्या तुम्हें जाना है?
You have to go.
ओके, मैं पढ़ सकती हूँ.
I can study.
मैं जाऊंगी.
I can go.
मैं जाऊंगी.
I will go.
तुम जाओगे.
You will go.
क्यों जाओगे?
Why will you go?
ओके, तुम पढ़ चुके हो.
You have to study.
क्या तुम जा चुके हो?
Have to study.
क्या तुम जा चुके हो?
You have to study.
नो. ओके, क्या तुम जा चुके हो?
Have you gone? Have you gone?
क्यों जा चुके हो?
Why have you gone?
ओके, मैं इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ.
I speak in English.
क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak English?
Okay, here you have to discuss one topic. Okay, tell me, you have city life and you have village life. Okay, which is better to live? You like city and you like village life. Okay, so tell me, what is city life? Why do you like living in city?
Because city has many facilities, because there are many shops in city, many hospitals in city, and many schools which are government provide.
Yes.
And there are many schools in a city.
Yes.
And there are many coachings in city.
Okay.
And high level education so possible in a city.
Yes. So can't you study in village?
Yes.
Why?
Because village has small.
Okay. And why do you living? I mean, why do you like living in village?
Because city has no village has no pollution, and we get pure ghee, butter, cheese, and many things. There are many trees and fresh air in city.
Okay, so you
So
like.
I like city.
Okay, so
I like
she's
village.
saying that we can't get pure ghee and butter in city. So why do you like living in village? Sorry, city. Yes, tell me. Can't you get or not?
No.
Okay, so why are you saying that I like living in city?
Because high education
Okay,
is
so
possible in a
okay,
city.
and you she's saying that there is no high education sector in village.
Yes, I know, because city is small, and
Yes,
government school in city.
Okay.
In village.
Okay, so what will you be? Tell me. Yes.
I will be IS.
And you?
I will be IS.
Okay, so without staying in city, can you be a IS?
No.
Why?
Because there is no facility in village, because get pure anything in village, because knowledge is no.
Okay, you can't get high education level system in village. Okay, so guys, as you can see that we were discussing about topics also and translating sentence, and you could see, I know. So thanks for watching us. Bye bye. Hey everyone. Today, as you can see to me that we are here, and today I will ask questions and they will translate my Hindi sentences which I'll speak. So you can see now we are starting. So now you have to translate Hindi sentence into the English. So let's guys start it without any further delay. So okay. मैं टीचर हूँ.
I am teacher.
तुम टीचर हो.
You are teacher.
क्या तुम टीचर हो?
Are you teacher?
क्यों हो?
Why are you teacher?
मैं इंजीनियर हूँ.
I am engineer.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I am going.
तुम जा रहे हो.
You are going.
क्या तुम जा रहे हो?
Are you going?
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
मैं घर जा रहा हूँ.
I am going home.
क्या तुम घर जा रहे हो?
Are you going home?
मैं पढ़ रहा था.
I studied.
मैं पढ़ रहा था.
I was studying.
मैं जा रहा था.
I was going.
मैं जा सकता हूँ.
I can go.
मैं पढ़ता रहूँगा.
I will studying.
Are you studying?
मैं पढ़ता रहूँगा.
I will be studying.
मैं जाता रहूँगा.
I'll be going.
मैं पढ़ता हूँ.
I will study.
मैं नहीं पढ़ता हूँ.
I don't study.
तुम पढ़ते हो.
You study.
कब पढ़ते हो?
When do you study?
मैं जाऊँगा.
I will go.
तुम जाओगे.
You will go.
कब जाओगे आप?
When will you go?
मैं जा सकता हूँ.
I can go.
I can go.
मैं जा सकता था.
I could go.
तुम पढ़ सकते हो.
You can study.
You can study.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I'm going.
मैं जाऊँगा.
I will going.
I'll go.
I'll
तुम
go.
जाओगे.
You will go.
क्या तुम जा सकते हो?
Can you
Can you
go?
go?
क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak English?
कहाँ से हो आप?
Where will you be? Where are you?
कहाँ से हो आप? Where are you?
Where are you from?
From
कहाँ रहते हो आप?
where do
Where
you
do you
live?
live?
मैं नंगले में रहती हूँ.
I live in Nangla.
ओके मैं नंगले में रह रही हूँ.
I live in
Living?
Nangla.
ओके
Oh, I'm living in Nangla.
ओके क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो?
Are you speaking English?
क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो?
Can you
Can you
speak English?
कहाँ आप सीख रहे हो आप इंग्लिश?
Where are you speak English?
वेयर आर यू लर्निंग?
Learning English.
कहाँ सीख रहे हो आप इंग्लिश?
Where are you learning English?
फ्रॉम. ओके मैं इंग्लिश बोल रही हूँ.
I
speaking
speak English.
ओके क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो?
Are you speaking English?
क्यों बोल रहे हो?
Why are you speaking English?
मैं इंग्लिश बोल चुकी हूँ.
I
I
could.
have
I have English.
spoken English.
मैं इंग्लिश बोल चुकी हूँ.
I have spoken English.
मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ चुकी हूँ.
I have
studied.
read
I have
reading English.
ओके मैं खाना खा चुकी हूँ.
I can. I have written.
आई हैव ईटन फूड. ओके तुम जा चुके हो.
You have.
क्या तुम जा चुके हो?
Have you gone?
कहाँ जा चुके हो?
Where have you gone?
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I am going.
मैं जा रहा था.
I was going.
मैं टीवी देख रही थी.
I was watching TV.
क्या तुम खाना खा रहे थे?
Have you
Were
eaten
you-
food? Were you eating food?
कब खा रहे थे?
When were you eating food?
मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकती हूँ.
I can speak English.
मैं पढ़ सकती हूँ.
I can study.
क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak English?
क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak English?
ओके वेयर आर यू?
Where are you from?
वेयर आर यू?
I am from Nangla Tasi.
व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग? वेयर आर यू?
I live in Nangla Tasi.
एंड वेयर आर यू नाउ?
I'm in the coaching.
वेयर आर यू? इन विच वर्ल्ड आर यू लिविंग?
Living Indian.
Okay. Okay. So what are you learning nowadays?
I learn spoken English and talk with you.
Okay. And what are you doing for your goals? What will you be?
I'll be soldier.
And
I'll be
you?
teacher.
Okay. Which type of teacher will you be?
I think math as a Hindi as a English
And you?
teacher.
I'll be soldier.
Okay. Why will you be soldier?
Soldier BSF and no SCRCF.
Why will you be teacher? I mean soldier.
Because my dream and she is patrioid.
Okay. And you? Why will you be teacher?
Because I like teacher because the teacher give us the study, so I like teacher.
Okay. I
Yeah,
like teach.
yeah.
Okay. You like teaching?
Yeah, I
Okay.
like teaching.
Which subject will you teach?
As math, as a Hindi, as a yeah.
Okay. So and you? What will you do after becoming a soldier?
So there's
So what will you do?
I'll do only firing.
Okay, okay,
And
okay. So you will fight with terrorists.
yeah, terrorists.
So okay, tell me now. I will ask one question. Can you tell me the difference between? Okay, firstly, tell me. You will be teacher. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So can you speak about teacher? You will be teacher. So tell me, what is teacher? What does it
Teacher.
mean?
Yeah. Teacher is a very important in our life because without teacher we can't success as a study, anything. So our teacher is a very important. So teacher give us good habits, and teacher give us manners, and our teacher tell us what is the teacher in my life, and teacher tell us what is teacher first in my life, and what is teacher in the second teacher in my life. So as
Okay, and you will be soldier.
Yeah.
Okay, no, I want ask to you about soldier,
Yeah.
but
Do
can
you
you,
know?
so can you tell me, so can you tell me the, okay, let me think because I'm taking time to think. Okay, so tell me, okay, do you like which life do you like, city life or village? Tell me.
I like city.
Okay, why?
City is most important our life because there is our facility and in city in hospital
Okay.
and school and many parks and
Okay.
malls.
So don't you like village life?
Yeah, I don't like village.
But you were born in a village. Okay?
Yeah.
You took birth in a village. Why don't you like village? You used to live in a village, but now you are living in city. So why are you not living in village?
I like village. No, I don't like village because I.
Yes.
Oh no.
Okay.
No, no.
Okay. So you like only city life.
Yeah. Only
Okay.
I
So okay, so guys, as you can see to me and also to my sisters. Okay, so they were speaking something wrong and right. You know very well. Okay, so it's enough for today. Thanks for watching us. Okay, bye bye.